What's up, Jared with Stand Tall Reviews, and today we got a really quick video. We are going to show you how to install air filters on your 370Z. Filters, there are two for the air intake, so let me show you how to do that. So like I said, I bought two, and before I get started, I bought these ones from Z1 Motorsports. Why did I buy these ones? You can buy K&N, but I prefer to have dry filters. I have those in my Sequoia too, and these are dry filters. The K&N are oiled filters. So got these two, let's put them in. So we're going to start by taking these up, that way it becomes loose, and then you just pull up and there goes your filter, and obviously it opens up out of the intake. Now what you'll do is get your old filter, take it out of the tray. Now here's our new Z1 filter. Like I said, this one is washable and it also is more breathable than most filters, so we'll go ahead and put this in the tray. Went ahead and got in there. I will note, if you're buying any performance filter, it is a tight fit. That is intentional, so just know you're gonna kind of have to push it in there, but once you get it in there, you just put it back in. Then you do the same thing one more time, so put it in there again, tight fit, and you just put it back in. And to be safe, just make sure everything's in there. Make sure these are pushed all the way down on both sides, and that's it. So hopefully this video helps somebody. Again, very simple, very quick. Like I said, I got the ones from Z1. If you do K&N or whatever, it's the same process, and decent upgrade. That's not that expensive, and it's reusable. So just keep washing it, not paying for paper filter. But that's gonna do it. I appreciate you all for watching. If this helped, like, share, subscribe. We're trying to grow over here. More 370 content coming soon. Thank you all. Peace out.